This is our digital ultrasonic welding generator, with the frequency automatic tracking function. It has been widely used for plastic and non-woven fabric welding and proved with stable quality. We have standard type and PLC type digital ultrasonic generators. We operate the standard generator by the key press button, and operate the PLC type generator by the intuitive panel, which is much easier to use. Here, we show you how to use this digital ultrasonic welding system. First, connect the ultrasonic welding horn to the transducer, make sure to tie them together, and connect the transducer to the generator. Then, let's turn on the power switch. Click the test button to see if the three parts are connected well and are in a good resonance state. Now, let's see the setting panel of the generator. We have 4 menus here. We can go to setting menu to set the trigger mode and work mode. Go to factory menu to change language, and amplitude menu to set the percentage of the amplitude. The protection menu is for engineers, no need to set under normal conditions. When using the generator box to the automation line, we need to connect 10 and 11 port on this connector. Here let's have a test with load. First, we set the start mode and model type of the generator. Then we connect the 2 signal cables. We can see the system starts to make resonance. It means the ultrasonic system is working well.